If you have used Gin, you're probably familiar with the pain of error handling. You have many endpoints and most of them look like this. You call some functions that return errors, and unfortunately you can't just return these errors as you would normally do in Go. You need to use these Gin interfaces over and over again to handle every single error and then return void. And that is quite tedious. To avoid this, you can use a design pattern that is really powerful in Go. It's called Decorator. What it does is it takes as an argument a function in the form that you want it to have and returns another function, in this case the one that Gin accepts. As you can see here, I have both of these function definitions. I called them Gin handler and R handler, and as you can see, this adapter takes R handler as an argument and returns a Gin handler, and inside of this Gin handler we call our actual handler and pass the Gin context to it, and it returns a result, either returns a result or an error. And if we have an error, we take care of this, we just send it over to the client and return, or otherwise we just send this result and return 200. Now let's take a look at how this adapter is used down below. So we had this, and now with this adapter we have this. So the only thing to keep in mind here is that we need to wrap our function in this adapter, and as you can see now it returns any or an error. And as you can see, if we have errors we just simply return nil and an error, and at the end of the function we simply return a response with nil. And well, in my opinion, it's much better than handling every single error individually using Gin interfaces.